Are you a creative entrepreneur who teaches, designs patterns, or runs a shop? Do you want to connect with your audience, grow your business, and inspire your community, but feel like video is too time-consuming or complicated? This podcast is here to change that. Hello, friends. I'm Lyric Montgomery Kennard, a seasoned artist, educator, and industry expert dedicated to helping makers, shop owners, and designers just like you bring your creative visions to life through educational video. With years of experience in virtual instruction, I'm proud to have guided countless quilters, crafters, and artists to bring their beautiful vision into the digital world, creating accessible tutorials and workshops, as well as authentically connecting marketing videos. Now, I'm excited for my next adventure, Creatives on Camera. Each week, Creatives on Camera will teach you tried and true strategies to make video creation easy, efficient, and effective for any entrepreneur. Every episode will be packed with time-saving tips and easy-to-follow strategies to help you create tutorials, workshops, and marketing videos that really connect. You'll hear from makers across the art and crafting industry that have used video to highlight their talents and bring their businesses to a global audience. I'll also bring in guests with expert knowledge that will help you create and build the business of your dreams. So whether you're just starting out or ready to refine your skills, join me and discover how to teach, sell, and inspire online without the overwhelm. Subscribe now, and let's bring your creative vision to life. You can also connect with me over at www.academyforvirtualteaching.com.